kilogram bar is given with its center of mass at G. So, ang C is multiplied ng A ruler, ang chord AB is 1 chord AB level. Then, ang weight of the bar is, ang weight sa bar. Weight of the bar is equals to 25 kilogram times equals to 9.81 equals to 245.25 Newton. So, angle sa bar is 30 degree. So, since nakuha na nato ang weight, na 245 Newton, and moments at point A. So, paano po moment point A? A is equals to 0. So, C times 1.7 equals to weight cos 30 degree times 0.9 is substitute ang value. So 7 times 1. C times 1.7 is equals to 245 cos 30 degrees times 0.9. So C is equals to 151.7 Newton. So ang weight is 245.25 Newton at the center of the mass. Then the horizontal component is weight cos 30 degree. So next is ang Fx to 0. So Dx minus cos 60 degree plus 0. Dx equals to C cos 60 degree. So Px is equals to 75.9 Newton. The reaction force of C has both horizontal and vertical component. So ang Px dapat balance sa horizontal component of C. So B, isolve na po ang total reaction sa B. So B is equals to Bx cos 15 degree. So B is equals to 75.9 cos 15. So B is equals to 78.5 Newton. So, total reaction sa B is found using the angle of 15 degree diagram. So, next na ito is Fy. So, muna ito sa Fx, Fy na tayo. Fy is equals to 0, Ay plus Dy minus weight beyond plus C sin 60 degree 0. So, Ay plus 20.3 minus 245 plus 151.7 sin 60 degree 0. So, Ay is equals to 93.6 Newton. Vertical forces sum must sum to 0. The vertical components of reaction as is equal to calculation. So, ang Ay 93.6 Newton.
So, why do we take moments at point A in this problem?
Taking moment at A eliminates the unknown forces at A from the equation. So this simplifies solving for C since only the weight and the known distance affect the moment equilibrium.
Determine the support reaction on the member. The collar at A is fixed to the member and can slide vertically along the vertical shaft. So, ang applied forces is 900 Newton pa downward and 500 Newton meter nga counterclockwise at sa right end and 45 degree nag-incline sa section B. The collar exerts a horizontal force which is AX. So horizontal force AX. And the moment are on the member. So on the member is vertical. So, vertical man siya. So, upward. And this, so, one is here. So, horizontal, fx is equal to ax 0. 0 siya. So, plus ay fy pa-upward. So, nb minus 900 Newton. So, equals to nb 900 ton. So, a moment arm can be determined by summing moments either both point A and B. So, counter clockwise moment of A is, so moment A minus 900 Newton, which is the applied force, and times 1.5 meter minus 500 Newton meter plus 900 Newton times 3 meter plus 1 meter cos 45 degree. So the answer is negative 1,486 Newton meter or 1.49 kilonewton meter. So, ano ang answer?
So, what is the moment about point A used to determine if A instead of using another point?
So, the moment about A is used because it directly isolates moment at A nga ga-allow pa straightforward calculation without involving a known reaction force. So, since Ax is 0 and there is no vertical reaction at A, summing moments at A eliminates unnecessary variables. Para mas madali na to solve ang MA using the only applied forces and